Hello everyone, welcome back. And myself Rohit Kumar. And today in this video we will learn how to do retarget, how to do animation retargeting at runtime in Unreal Engine 5. And these are the basic process which I just mentioned here. So you all can relate and you all can go through this step by step. So first we'll see the preparing the character. Okay, both the character like from the Unreal and from the Mixamo, how we'll like import and how we will get that character. Okay, so this is the character, and here we'll see the IK Retargeter. Second thing is the create IK rigs for the both character. We'll set this. Add target character to retargeter. Adjust retarget poses. Okay, and actually this is the important here. We'll go with actually by default we get T pose character. So according to the our mannequin, we have to match the pose. So this is the adjust retarget pose. And preview animation will see. Actually, we get some animation by default here. So according to that, we can do the preview also. Export, and we'll see the animation how to export, right? And applying a new test, applying a new animation over your character, and will test in the game. And that's it, that we'll see. So yes, this is the official retargeting workflow used in UE5 only. Okay, not before that we cannot see in the lower version of the Unreal Engine. But the higher version of the Unreal Engine, there you get the by default plugin or the supports, which is in 5.4 and 5.6. But we are going to learn today 5.4. So yes, let's start with the new things, which is here. Go to in the Epic Games. Well, first I said we'll create the file. So here I'll go with 5.4. Okay, and first thing we need to set up our project file. So go to in the game template, we'll select the third person. Okay, and in the third person we'll select the blueprint only, and target will be desktop. Second thing will be the maximum, and this time we will not use this starter content or anything. And set the location where you want to save. So actually this is the retargeting location. I just give the this location here. Save it first and name it to retarget. Okay, and say yes, so that it is let's create a new file for us. Yes, so here okay, so here once you preview this, now you will be able to see our character. This is the third person character here, and we will replace this character. Okay, yes, animation also we'll see. Okay, so this is the character. So I said first we will prepare our character. So from the Mixamo you can directly import. So before that I'll create a new folder, and according to this folder actually will import. Yes, I'm just creating a new folder, but before that we have to go in the Mixamo. So actually here you need to log in first in your Google ID, using your Google ID. Then you will able to see all the characters, which character you need, any character you want. Okay, so I'm using this alien soldier. Okay, and this character I'll just import. So this is the downloading option. From here you can download and you can check. So I just downloaded here and I'll show you. Okay, So go to in the alien folder. I'll just import the character, and this character is in this folder. And yes, this is the character. Okay, and say open. Before that, we need to set it to reset to default, so that it won't create anything like related to units or anything you changed. So it is not going to affect that. So yes, definitely we need to say import. Okay, so that's it. This is the character which we just got. And here you can see this is the materials, and this is the character. Say save. And in this character, actually, here we get three character type, which is the skeletal mesh, skeleton, and the physics asset, right? So this will be the character. Now you can see this is the bones. Here we need to change actually the name. See, some joints you want match directly with the mannequin. So this is the bone. Close it and go to back. First, I'll show you here in the character mannequins, and in the rigs folder you find the IK mannequin. Okay, so here you get different names, and here we have to match according to this. So this is the names, and according to this we have to set or we have to fix. Okay, this is the asset browser, and from here we can see the animation on everything. So okay, go to in the retarget, and according to this we need to set our character. So go to back here, and in the character content, in the alien folder we'll create a new animation retargeting IK Rig. Okay, so this is the IK Rig underscore alien. Okay, so yes, do double click, and this is the basic entire workspace which you get for the rigging IK rig space. Okay, and this is the area where you are going to see the character, which is perspective. In the right hand side, in the details panel, you can preview your mesh. In the left hand side, you can see the hierarchical joint setup and like things. Okay, so IK rig output log, any problems or issues if you find, you will see here. In the right hand side, actually we'll go with new chain, and from here we will add, or like another way we have that I'll show you. So go to in the preview skeletal mesh. First you select this. Okay, and yes, this is the character which I just got here. Now in the left hand side, in the rig element, you can see hip. Okay, and bones I can preview, I can see. So first in the hip command, hip name, just do right click, say set root target, set root target. Okay, and here in the spine, select these three spines and name it, say new target chain, or from here also you will do the same, select add new chain like this, say yes spine. Okay, so this is the head. Okay, select, do right click, new target, yes, name automatically it's create, but if you would like to change, then you have to name it. Okay, so this is the shoulder and till arm, this. do right click and say new target. This is the left arm. Done. And here select the thumbs, and this thumb will have to change the name this time. Okay, yes, add chain. Index, do right click. Okay, say the same. This time we have to name it to index. Add chain. Middle, yes, select all this, say new retarget chain and name it to middle finger. Okay, and this is the name. Go to the ring, select the ring fingers, name it to ring. Okay, add chain. Pinky, new target, name it. Okay, and this is the shoulder arm. Again we got for the right, so name it the same, arm. Okay, thumb, yes, right thumb. Okay, go to in the index, again name it index. Okay, middle, yes, and here we'll go with the ring also, same. Add chain, pinky. Okay, so we named it, and this is the leg. Yes, say leg only. Okay, this will be the same here. To right click and say the same. Okay, so we done the process for the naming retargeting chain. We done. Okay, and this will be always the reroute target. Here I just do right click and just changed. Okay, so I hope you understood here, and this is the names which we are going to match with the mannequin. So go to back. I said uh, in the character mannequins, actually this is the rig, IK rig, right? I explained. So according to this, we have to set everything. So go to back here, go to in the content folder in the alien section, to right click, and I'll create a new animation IK. This is you find in the retargeting option in the animation. Okay, go to the animation, select the retargeting and say IK rig. So we'll create the IK rig for the alien. Sorry. Already we created. Okay, do right click, go to in the animation, retargeting. This time we'll go with IK Retargeter. Okay, IK IKR alien. Okay, and do double click. So here you find two different options, source and target. This we have to set. Before that, just save it. Okay, and yes, get this panel here. Now from here, actually this is unsaved. We have to save it first. Go to back in the IKR alien, and this time in the source IK rig asset, we have to add this one, mannequin rig IK. Okay, and here in the target section we'll go with target IK Rig asset, and that is our character alien. This, okay. So this character is ready, but the problem is actually no problem here. So select this. In the right hand side you get preview mesh setting, and in the target mesh offset you can change the location where you want to like keep this character. So this is the location, and now this is fine. Okay, one more thing is, first we'll set the pose, because see, this is the T pose, and in the mannequin you can see different pose. So according to this we have to match, we have to set. So select this character. Okay, this is the joints. In the running retarget, here you find an option which is edit retarget pose. So once you go here, select the right arm. This is the shoulder, right arm, and change this to 10. It's okay, and snap it so that your character joints will be snap automatically where you want to uh, do, or you want to snap. So this is the right arm, left arm is this. Okay, right, little bit we have to match. Okay, okay, done. And this forearm. Okay, yes, from here also we'll do the same. Okay, okay, so we done. Now in the right hand side, this is the asset browser, and this is the chain mapping which we did. So nothing is pending, everything is done properly. So you all can see spine to spine, head to head, right, left arm. So all can be seen here proper with the name. Okay, and we're done the editing part also. Select the run retargeter. Okay, okay, now I want to see the preview of animation, both are working or not. So go to in the assets. Here we can map with idle, run, forward, walk, fall. So I select the run. Okay, run forward, T pose, like any. Just do double click. Now you can see the animation. Okay, so animation is happening. Okay, so like now character is working, and this character we are going to replace. So already we done this part. Okay, so go to, just save it, go to back in the third person map, right here. We'll create a new file for the animation blueprint. Okay, so do right click, and just go to in the animation. Here we'll create this animation blueprint, this one. Okay, so this time in the animation blueprint we'll select that character only which was taken from the Mixamo, or our alien character. Okay, select this and say create. Okay, animation BP, underscore alien. Okay, so this is the character. I just saved it. Go to double click here and check. So this is the basic pose. Here we have to add some blueprint commands. So yes, click here and drag like this for the execution pin. To get execution pin, here I just say retarget pose from mesh. This node we have to add here. And actually in the right hand side, once you select this pose, then we have to specify the IK Retargeter asset, which is here. Okay, select this and our alien character will be here. Okay, say compile. Now it's done. And one more thing we have to do, one process more we have to do for the character replacement. So close it, go to back in our third person character, which is here. Okay, in the blueprint, yes, this is the character, and in this character will replace, go to in the viewport, and this is the character which you get by default here. Okay, okay, and so actually in the right hand side you get option and the components. In the right hand side you can see all the previews and animation blueprints which you can apply directly, but uh, we have to get our character. So click here or select the first character. This is the character, right? And under this character you can change everything I said. So select the add command. Here I'm changing what I say, skeletal mesh, this one. Okay, name it IK underscore, yes. Okay, so in this section or in this skeletal mesh we need to add our character, and that character is here. So actually in the mesh we have to change or we have to specify the character which you want or which you created. So select this. Wow, so character is ready, but height is more than mannequin. It's okay, we can change the size of this character. In the right hand side you find multiple options, okay, which is here. This is the scale. So I don't think so it's a very like huge, but it's okay, we can manage. And actually basic thing is this animation is happening, but in the our character we are not getting our animation. So that animation, this animation we need to set. So in the animation class we just created an animation blueprint alien. Now you can see animation here, but the problem is what, we have to uh, hide this character because this is going to disturb. Because see, once you do like this and here we replaced, okay, replace means I say play, unset first saved it. Okay, go to here and check. So both the character is, wow. Okay, so we need to change first here. Actually in the mesh character we have to give the visibility option. So search here visibility, yes, visible, this one. So actually once you just disable this is done. But one more thing, just say yes, compile. Here I would like to see whether our animation is happening or not. So nothing happens. Okay, actually once you give the visibility option enable, then you cannot directly work with the animation. So what we have to do here, actually we have two different ways to hide this character. You can use the material, transparent material, so that you can apply over this character and it is going to automatically hide. And the second thing is, once you enable this visible, so in the last option, this one, advanced visibility based animation, tick animation, okay, tick option. So here we have to set to this one, refresh bones. Actually nothing happens right now, but once you click over this, now it's happening. Okay, so this is the way, oh, where like you can do this. So this is done. Now I want to see whether our animation is happening or not. Actually we replace the character also, and this is in star, save it. Yes, and now check the animation. Okay, so animation is done. Okay, and yes. Okay, so in this video, we learn lots of things. How to manage how to prepare our character. We seen, okay. We used IK Retargeter. We created rigs for the character, right? And we targeted this target added the target character to retargeter. Okay, adjust the retarget poses, we done this, and preview animation we used. And actually this is the new we exported for, like, game only. So we applied in the our final character, which is this. So we learn lots of things here. So I hope you enjoyed and you learned something from this video. And thank you very much, guys. Bye bye. We will meet again in the next video, okay, or next like different tutorial.